Today's recipe Borboti chorchori. It's a Bengali vegetable preparation. Long yards beans or borboti 250 grams. Onion 2 pieces. Potato 1 piece. Mustard oil 2 tablespoons. Salt as per taste. Red chili powder 2 tablespoons. Turmeric powder 1 tablespoon. Cumin powder 1 tablespoon. Dry red chilies 2 to 3 pieces. Mix all the ingredients properly so it absorbs less oil and veggies are cooked in their own moisture. Pour some little water to drench the vegetables. Mix them well. Mustard oil 2 tablespoons. Place it on medium flame. Cover and steam it for 3 to 4 minutes. Saute them well. Keep it in a low flame. Cook for another 4 to 5 minutes. Do not cover it now. Stirring and cook it. It's a slow process cooking. Non-spicy and flavorful preparation. Stir occasionally to avoid sticking to the bottom. Cook till it absorbs the extra water. Turn off the flame. Served with hot steamed rice and dal.